Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to reset or change any user account password on Windows 11 PC using command prompt. For this, first click on this one start button and type CMD. In the search results, right click on this one command prompt entry and select here run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. Once command prompt opens on your Windows PC, type here net user, then press enter on the keyboard. This will display all the user account that is available on your PC. In my PC, there are two user accounts and I want to change this one test user account password. So you to change the password of the any user account, type net a space user, then a space, and then type the username you want to change the password. And now you can type the password you want to set for that user account. For instance, I want to set the password for my test user account 12345. After typing this one command, just press enter on the keyboard. You should see a message, the command completed successfully. That means this one test user account password is now set to 12345 in my Windows 11 PC.